is it called suspicious chicken anyways?
Hello, Nicole!
I'm gonna punch you.
Why would you punch a poor little chicken like me?
Says it looks like he's gonna rape someone. I mean, just look at this smile. It's like rape.
I'm not gonna rape you, Nicole. Oh! Nicole! Nicole!
That everything is like assaulted.
Nicole!
It's one funny looking chicken.
Nicole, why are you telling me I'm funny looking?
It doesn't even look like a chicken. I think it's a rooster.
I'm not a... Well, maybe... But look at my thing.
There is no thing.
My bandana.
Oh. Just because it says chicken doesn't mean it's a chicken, you know?
Well, maybe that was my mother. You've been making fun of my mother? Your mom is so big! The phone company gave her 2 area codes!
Uh-huh.
No, I'm kidding. I love your mother. She's my mother-in-law. Because we're getting married, right?
No.
Mwah!
Oh, I don't even know where the hell that's been.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I'm a dog toy.
Oh, I just... No, made out with your dog. Ew.
Dead.